Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Christmas with Mr Carrington.
Please proceed to the highlighted
Right, I don't want any comments telling me that you're not meant to start at the bottom. I know you're not meant to start at the bottom, but I can't find the end. So don't do it. Don't do it! Oh. Okay. That wasn't meant to happen. Hello everybody, hope you... Standard. Introducing an outtakes bloopers video, and that happens. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you on Christmas Eve from Hamburg Airport, and I just wanted to pop on here to introduce this video, which is basically just going to be a load of clips of all the bloopers and outtakes from throughout the Christmas season of videos, and also just to thank you all so much for watching, for all of the views, for all of the comments, for all of the thumbs up, and for all of the new subscribers as well. I really appreciate it, and I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you enjoy this video. I didn't even know you were recording. Oh my days. How long has that been going for? Oh. Oh, uh-oh. And we're wonky. Are we wonky? Or is it just the table? And that's the hair gone.
And there we go.
Sorry, it's not.
It is so like, yeah.
Angle it that way though, so it's got more of the table.
Yeah.
How's that?
Lovely. Is that
Oh, excuse me.
Wow.
I'm just in the coffee.
I
Bye.
think it's stretched a bit.
Yeah, people are gonna be like,
Kang, kang, kang.
oh, can't breathe through that. Stops you breathing through your nose. What's that? Oh, that's that.
Yeah.
It's like miles away.
What's that? I know.
Pour me a Baileys.
Pour me a Baileys, have a cup of tea, and we're all.
Oh, where's my
good to go.
coffee?
Did you make
No, yeah. Hang on, sorry. I don't think I can. I honestly, genuinely don't think I can shoot a video without a drink in my hand.
No, I totally agree. I'm the same. It's become the standard obligatory.
Make sure you get the money off me if I keep anything.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Don't forget. Let's see ya. Should we get cracking?
I think we should.
That's everything I meant to.
Yes, you have. Do you want to do a thumbnail now, or do you want to do it at the end?
At the end, I think. Should we do it now?
Yeah, let's do it just in case.
Safety.
You ready?
Safety
Just in case
first.
we go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Right.
Ready? One, two,
Oh, sorry, is this a photo?
Yeah. Right. Ready? Oh, I'm really squeaky there. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Happened the other day. Mid-sentence, I went, oh.
Ready?
£1. Is this straight? We do not want a wonky mantle. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Right, grab yourself a festive beverage and let's get... You can hear the washing machine. Why does it always do a spin as soon as I start? Or metal animal cookie cut. Hello everybody, hope you're all... What's my arm doing? It looks really weird. Right, grab yourself a festive beverage, get the heat an elephant, a monkey, and a lion in there. Just checking. Does it look like my hand? Why is it looking strange today? I'll do it with that hand. Don't forget if you knew. So let me know if those are tired. Robins and tits on there. Stop it. Right, grab yourself a festive beverage. A reversing bus is just what we need. Ah! Be careful, it might come through. Wow. My hand looks massive. Shall I get the other one? So let me know if those are... so you've got a... What's that? Oh, that's St. Paul's. Right, grab yourself a festive bed. Why can't I say that? Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. That's the wrong hand. I've spilled my coffee already. How have I done? Literally covered in coffee. Really nice gifts to take. Bleh. Sorry. And pop over to Luke's channel now, and if I can talk.
Our Father, Washing Christmas heaven.
Please, Miko.
Our gingerbread houses.
Steer.
Steer.
It's not too
Can't
hot
help
of the day.
it. Yeah.
Fuck of the day.
Oh, I'm getting hot. Okay.
Out of all of the words you could have chosen, all of the words.
Do you?
Right. Okay, so
I'm starting to smell as well. So
I already smell good.
I'm thoroughly excited. It's November 5th. No, it's not. I'm thoroughly excited. It's November. It's not November.
I wish it was.
I wish
I've got to
it
do
was.
still.
As you will see from my vlogs. As you've been watching.
Let's hope you made some. Internet, $3.99 in case you want to grab some.
Yeah.
It sort of suits you.
Thank you.
So we, what is it? We started get. Where did I get to? Did I finish it? Almost.
Maybe. And what did you do?
So. Okay, so that is the Christmas tag done on here. If you want to go and check out this turkey's channel.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
There's a blooper.
Le Remes, Les Marais. The area that I've been staying in is Les Marais. I can't say it, it's too early. For this, I'm going to use these wooden lolly sticks. You get if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a little thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'd love to have you back again soon, and I will. Oh, I've got just an elbow started to itch while I was doing that, and we'll stop that. Sorry. Crack open the Baileys. We've got this. Oh, that is not how I expected that to come out at all. I thought it was going to come out like a mist. Instead, it came out like that. Score that line out. Bring it up. Oh, I've done that wrong. It's when you
When you put on the spot.
Me and Kate had this. We were both just like. For this, I'm using some pen. Oh, you're joking me. Filming in Germany, and they're still drilling. Try to keep it all. Thank you, motorbike. I will start again.
The coffee. It's too plastic, baby. It's cold outside.
Can't stop using it. May contain mulled wine. It tastes suspiciously like mulled wine. Mm-hmm. Do you think we could sellotape inside?
Oh no!
No. How did that happen?
It's true.
Naughty elf's been around
Yeah,
again.
I've been
Peeing up the wall.
peeing up the walls.
If you want all that bit, any bits of me, cut it out. Or I've gone on. I think it's too bright, maybe.
There we are. Oh, it's upside down.
Is it too bright or is it fine?
It's alright, isn't it, if I do that? Is it upside down? Can't tell. That way.
Let's see. My eyes are
There we are. It is this mug with this. It is. Oh. It is this mug.
That hand looks so weird.
No. Using stuff, some really
Yeah.
cool bits of homeware as well. Okay, so I really hope said that. I don't know why we come on this. It's actually take place. No, I can't. Honestly, I can't look. I actually do. And we're sitting in this. And we're sitting in this beach hut type thing. You see these on the beaches all over. Beaches in North. Hang on a sec. Pop that there. Hang on. As I was saying, we are sitting in one of these. Sorry, as I was saying. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Classic. Please don't be broken. I think the camera's tipsy.
This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Will perspire as I sweat in my jumper.
Oh! Why did they start it unravelling at the plug end and not this end? Because we're not starting with the plug bit. Sainsbury's! And now look how much alcohol we've got to get through. You get some control then, don't you?
Exactly that, mate.
We're going to lose control, let's face it.
Oh, we are. We're only one cocktail in and I can already feel it.
I'm out of breath now. I'm rushing. Yeah. Right, what am I saying? Hooli! Oh.
Hooli?
I think I'm slurring already.
I am.
Oh.
Yeah, it's got kind of like a textured effect.
It's really strong, isn't it? Cocktail number 2.
It's like ribbing.
Yeah.
Oh no, other way. This is the thing. So,
Yeah.
a good tip. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, it's kind of ribbed. There we are.
Excellent.
I've got to end this now, and I don't think I can string a sentence together. It's kind of bumpy. I can't really describe it, but it's kind of ribbed. One.
Okay, let's pop this to the side. Oh,
Right. It's kind of textured. It's kind of like corrugated or ribbed. I'm not about to say it now.
where's Savage? Anyway. Oi!
Yeah, it's nice.
I don't know if it's that might
What's
look.
that? I forgot I'd got. I was like, what's that lump? It's Santa's bottom. I'd completely forgotten that was there. So what's happened to me?
Add a bit of sugar. You can add a bit of sugar to this. What? Again. I've had one sip of a martini and it's all gone terribly.
Alright.
You're okay.
I knew I'd been at those mince pies, but I didn't realise
Great boob or something.
what the moobage going on. And as always, I've been totally winging it. And where did I put my coffee?